this. Our lights are terrible, so we're thinking of raising the ceiling a little bit and putting in some lights. If you set up the right lights on this, it just pops. It's so beautiful. So we need to do, we will do better in taking care of this.
Oh, great. So I see the oil derrick over
in
there.
Oklahoma,
Okay.
everything starts with oil. Our collection started with the donation of an oil man, Everett de Gallo.
Okay.
So that's a nod to oil.
Wow. Now this is the sun with the planets.
So this is the Copernican system.
Right.
In 1543, Copernicus switched the positions of the sun and the earth.
Oh, okay.
And the planets have their traditional symbols. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Shown in a different style are the planets discovered later with the telescope. Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto shown as half a planet.
Wow,
The artist and the curator together, I think, were very prescient in showing the ambiguity of Pluto there. But look what's here. These are the 4 moons of Jupiter, discovered by Galileo in 1610, showing that planets can have satellites, and that helped solve the anomaly of the moon, because there's the moon. One of the objections to the Copernican system was you're needlessly multiplying the number of centers of revolution, because in the old system, everything revolved around the Earth. Everybody knows the moon revolves around the Earth, so why shouldn't everything else? Well, how could the moon keep up was the objection of Copernicus if it's circling a moving planet. But Galileo's discovery of the moons of Jupiter said, hey, Jupiter's got 4 of them, so satellites can exist. What's the problem with the Earth's moon? And that one's compared over here. This is the earlier Ptolemaic Aristotelian system. It's got Ptolemy's map of the Earth in the center. The map of the Earth, it shows the Earth, and then these little waves are water. They're believed to be 4 elements beneath the moon: earth, water. These curlicues represent the 3rd element. They're clouds or air. And then fire, the realm just beneath the moon where comets and meteors occur. Okay, so you've got the 4 ancient elements, and then the 5th element, the quintessence or ether, comprises these solid spheres that carry the planets. They spin around the Earth at great, even though they're so immense, at great speeds. The sphere of fixed stars goes around once every 24 hours. The sun in the middle of the heavens is on a giant sphere that rotates around the Earth once a year. The moon once a month. The different harmonies of the proportions of these revolutions are called the music of the spheres.